Hey guys, welcome to Texas Kaiju Fishing. Today we're in Weatherford and we're trout fishing this pond again. Last time we skunked out, only caught bluegill. So let's see if we can get some trout. Doing the same Carolina rig with some trout bait. There's a tree above me, hopefully I don't end up stuck in it. All right, we just moved to the other side. We're on the where we started. We were there for an hour, didn't get a hit. Seeing some activity on the surface, so we came over here and casted. Hopefully they hit. Either way, it's a good time. Glad we were able to get out of small town of Ranger and come fish down here. Yeah, I think you might have one. You just gotta make sure he didn't drop it already. Yep, you got one. It's a little bluegill.
Yeah, it's a pig.
Hey! Don't kill it. You go get the pliers. I don't feel like keeping. Look at that pig. You think they'll hit that wacky rigged worm?
There's bluegill out there? No.
Talking about the trout, man.
Trout?
Yeah.
Trout?
Trout, whatever, dude.
I'm telling you, dude.
You don't know anything about trout. Oh.
I've got a trout on a spinner before.
This is a big fish.
Oh,
No way. Look at that. Count it. First bass of the year. So those are bass popping then.
Probably. I think it's a bluegill.
No way. And he wasn't going anywhere. Yeah. Good old little bass.
That bass could have eaten the bluegill I caught.
That's one. Count it. I hope y'all enjoyed that little clip of us catching everything but a trout. So that was a short little highlight reel of the day. The rest was just us getting skunked. So with this video, I'm also going to include what I bought at the Weatherford Academy in Weatherford, and I spent $12.03. So I picked up a War Eagle buzzbait for $2.97. Strike King swinging sugar buzz for $2.97 also. And then the rest were these trout magnets. Comes with a jig head, 2 jig heads. Oop, dropped it. And I think about 7 plastic worms. And there they are 1/64 ounce. And so they're labeled at 47 cents. So I went ahead and just grabbed all the ones in the bucket. So these are all pink and this gold brown color. The pink's gonna work. Pink works around here. We have pretty stained, muddy waters. I don't know about the rest of the lake, but this part of the lake, because we're so close to a runoff when it rains, it stays muddy, not really clear year round. So yeah, so I got all these trout magnets and 2 buzz baits for $12.03. So it's a pretty good haul. Going into season, gonna be super busy. Might not have the time to fish. I will try to make time to fish. If I do fish, it'll just be from the bank until I get like a day or 2 off where I can go out and kayak the whole day. My appointment's on the 13th. Should get a full release. Should be able to kayak after that. Let's hope for the best, and that way I'm able to get out in the water if I have the whole day off. Until next time, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Y'all take it easy.